What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today we're gonna be installing a new track on here. Can't see it, but underneath we had one track just completely ripped. We were not looking forward to this because we'll be buying a new skid steer soon, and we didn't want to put a whole lot of money into this one. And as of Friday, I thought we were buying new tracks. I was scrolling through Marketplace, and I don't even know how, but we got completely lucky. Found a used set. Same track pattern. Crazily, same length and everything. 275 bucks. That saves a lot of money. That's a couple grand at least saved right there. So we're gonna swap that out real quick, and it's good enough. It'll be able to go right back to work. Eventually this winter though, we're gonna try to throw some new tracks on it. We gotta change out that sprocket. It's getting pretty wore. Missing a couple teeth on it. And yeah, let's get this repaired, taken care of. Pop this cover off. You gotta be careful, because if this is under a lot of tension, that fitting will blow that ratchet right back and smash your hand. There you go. Gloves just getting away. So this is the grease zerk right here. That's what holds all your tension. Goes up, there's a cylinder in here, goes to this idler, and this idler slides in, and that's what keeps tension on the track. So with this out, you can see all your grease is going to come out. You can push that in however you want to do it. What I usually do, make it easy on myself, come over here, like so. Suckers are not light. So yeah, you can see the tear we got. Tried to do a little quick easy fix. Get us off site. Kind of just splice it together. Didn't hold up very long. Once those cables are toasted, kind of SOL. Get these out of here. Suckers are heavy. Just like that. Whew. Find the hole. Now she's snug. Oh, there's the battery.
$2,000 years later.
Get that cylinder. Found a tube of grease. Duh. Bust the air out of the lines. Perfect. All right. That should do her. Get this all cleaned off. Put this away. Rip. All right, let's get back to her. Lower this down. Pop this cover back on. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how you put a new track and take off an old track off a Bobcat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do whatever you can to get this content out there. We appreciate it more than anything. If this video helped you, let us know below. Thank you. Have a good day.